Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the National Parks and Monuments Trail Series. Today, we traveled to North Dakota to take the Skyline Vista Trail at Theodore Roosevelt National Park. This trail is a short, third-of-a-mile trail that takes you out to a nice overlook of the valley below. The trail is a concrete path that leads out to some benches for an overlook of the valley. The whole thing took us just under 10 minutes to do, and I definitely recommend stopping if you're taking the loop through the park. It's a tease-in view for minimal effort. You can see the overlook from the start of the trail, and the concrete leads to the overlook from the parking lot, so those who are movement challenged shouldn't have too bad of a time getting out to the overlook and taking in that beautiful scenery. My favorite part of the trail is a small rock jutting out just to the left of the overlook. It provides a great view of the distance with I-94 directly in the center. Perhaps it was the clouds or the ways the sunbeam were trailing through the otherwise hazy air, but it just kind of looked beautiful. And that was enough to win it as its place of my favorite part of the trail. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow us as we journey across the country to different national parks and monuments.